my gas light was shown for a second, then it came off. I'm not gonna be surprised if it comes on. I think I need it. Actually, I know I'm about to need it. I don't know why I said that. I'm going back the way I came, because like I said, I hate the roads that way. And this way we can get some more fall scenery in, which I always enjoy. I know a good bit of you guys do as well. It is pretty windy today. Isn't always fun on a bike for obvious reasons. It's not too bad. It's manageable. And now I'm getting blown sideways. That's fun. Right after I said it's manageable. At least I'm getting blown. I'm just kidding. I wish. Oh, pizza sounds pretty good too right now. Nice brick oven pizza. I hope I can put the camera back in time. What's up? I cannot. My gas light's on. Alright, we're riding with my camera in my hand again. Because I'm an idiot. I don't know if you guys can even see me right now. Do you like this little side view? There we go, we got it. I should go get gas, but I really don't want to. I mean, I guess I'm directly passing a Sheetz on the way home, so I should. It'd be kind of stupid not to. Pro tip, if you're new to riding, not really a pro tip, just a basic thingy. When you are storing your bikes for the winter, or for any long period of time, it's good to have the tank as close to full as possible, if not completely full. Having a low or empty tank is bad. You don't really want to do that. So that's part of why the gas light went off. Part of why I'm gonna go fill up today, even though I don't want to, because for all I know, this could be the last time I go out riding. So it makes sense to just get it now. But yeah, you don't want to leave your bike with very little gas in it for long periods of time. It's not good. You don't want to do it with any vehicle. But this channel's mainly about bikes. And if you know it's going to be a couple months, I also recommend putting fuel stabilizer in the tank. That's going to help out. I watched the final Michael Myers movie like 2 days ago. It's called Halloween Ends, pretty sure. Jamie Lee Curtis. And I gotta say, that movie was absolute garbage. It was horrible. I hated it. It's literally a Michael Myers movie with like 10 minutes of Michael Myers in it. It's so dumb. I think whoever came up with that plot and storyline and everything else should be fired. Never be allowed to make a movie again. I think they should be penalized, honestly, for how bad that movie was. Absolute garbage. Like this guy's driving. What the fuck are you doing? Fucking idiot. Sorry for swearing. But that guy spent the last video talking about how horrible people are here, and then you have that. was talking about how horrible Halloween Ends is. But I would, if you haven't seen it yet, it's like 3 years old, 3 or 4. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you keep it that way. Absolute waste of time. Watch something else. It was so bad. And I've heard a lot of similar opinions and reviews about it. A lot of people agree. But that's a beautiful example of what I'm talking about with how stupid drivers are here and careless. They think they're the only ones on the road. Sheetz has merch. That's ridiculous. If you want good merch, check out link in the description. Helps support me. I get a very small portion of it. But if you like what you see and help out the channel, please feel free to grab some. I don't plug it very often. But yes, I do have merch if you are interested. I appreciate any and all support you guys are able to give me. Speaking of being very unhappy financially with where I'm at and not in the best spot, there's a Copart auction tomorrow that I'm keeping an eye on. Because I'm very stupid. So I have the money, right? But like in my head, I don't, because that's how I've always lived. Like if you act like, let's say you have $6,000 in your savings account. That's $1. There's still one antler there. Let's say you have $6,000 in your savings account. If you act like you have $6,000 and you tell yourself, yeah, I've got $6,000, like I'm okay to spend all this stuff, it's kind of dangerous because you might end up overspending. And you always want to have a cushion for unexpected savings. That's what my dad taught me, and that has been a lifesaver for me several times. Like with my car, for example, the unexpected expense of $3,000 to fix it, I had it because I was raised that way, and it's saved my ass a couple times. But so with that being said, let's say you still have the $6,000. If you act like you have $2,000 or $3,000 and you kind of treat your bank account as such, like, oh, it's way lower than what it actually is, you're not really going to be overspending. You're not going to blow more money than you can afford to. You're going to keep that little cushion for yourself. So that's how I am with my bank account, my money. I have the money for this auction coming up. Yeah, as long as it stays low like it is right now. But it's a very special bike. It's not really special, but it'd probably be the nicest bike I got. Maybe. I don't know, because I do have a 2018 ZX-10R, so maybe not. But anyways, I really like the bike, so I'm definitely gonna keep an eye on it. And obviously you guys will know if I end up winning it. Is now a good time? No, not at all. I should sell the current project bike first. 1, to make room in my garage, and 2, have more of a cushion in my bank account. But auctions, unfortunately, are a thing where you don't get to choose when it happens. It's chosen for you by the company, and that's it. That's your chance to get it. If you miss that chance, it's gone. So, can I do it right now? Yes. Is it smart? No, not at all. But I'm going to try. It's a great spot to do that. If you couldn't tell, they were just doing a U-turn right on the other side of a line turn with a little bridge. That's how smart. Ew. Gross. going on here. Never seen this before. A lot of interesting stuff. We got idiots like this on the road. 3 idiots in one video. That's crazy. So we got people like that. Had that weird power line wrapping going on. It looked like. Little camera. Not malfunction, because like I did it on purpose, but like I just couldn't get it back in time. Little camera work, I guess. I don't know. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did. Besides all of these people that I unfortunately share the road with, I had fun. Besides almost getting hit by that dump truck. Had a good time. You guys did as well. I'll see you in the next video, which to be honest is most likely going to be a rebuild video, because like I said, within a week it's supposed to be a high of 36 degrees, so it's gonna be cold pretty soon. So I'm not sure that I'm gonna get to go riding again, hopefully, but it's not super likely. I will try to, but there's only so much I can control about it. So until then, I'll see you in the next one.